Yeah, so this door is now open. All of you, please come over.
Door will return is open. Here's where our ancestors went through on that final trip to the slave ship. Hey, hold on, let's turn off the flash on the outside. Alright, now, this should be better. 8 plus is flash.
Right on the feet. It's supposed to be on the feet.
Yeah, put it on the feet. That's how you need it now.
Yeah. So they use the canoe to carry them to the base shape, the shape of
Yeah,
But if you look on top of this door, there is a nice sign without no. This is the door of no return.
it says door of return.
Yes, at first it was door of no return, but now door of return.
Because we're at home.
Fantastic. We got this one in 1998. Ghana celebrated Emancipation Day, and then the remains of 2 graves, Madame Crystal from Jamaica, Samuel Carson from New York. Their family members brought them to this country. They passed them through the door of no return here, after which label it door of return. So this means that you are now free. And for that matter, you welcome the spirit of the ancestors from the diaspora and then also their descendants back in your homeland, Africa, for had our freedom. And later, these 2 remains were taken to St. Manso to be buried off Kumasi. And at St. Manso, that was where the enslaved Africans had their last bath. The captives had their last bath before coming here. I don't know if you'll be going there. We went there before coming. Oh, fine. After bathing them, they will use shea butter to rub you, just to look irresistible, okay? And if you are a woman, or if you have a gray hair, they will shave you to look young, just to deceive their masters. Then give you heavy food to eat, to look strong, healthy, before taking the enslaved Africans to all the market centers to auction. Okay. So, you all return through this door of a train.
Hey, righteous, get us some pictures coming through the door.
I'm glad to be going this way and not the other way.
Now, a concern and a